So in December, this is where the Earth is. December, January, February, March, April, May, June. Now when we read June, and specifically June 21st, we experience June solstice, or it's also called the summer solstice. What's happening here is, as you can see now, the north pole, this part, the north pole is tilted at a maximum angle towards the sun. So now the direct rays of the sun are hitting the northern hemisphere. The sun's equator, this black line denotes the equator. So the sun's equator is aligned with the northern hemisphere, and that is why all of the countries which are in the northern hemisphere, they experience in June extreme hot temperatures, extremely high temperatures, and we experience summers in the northern hemisphere. So all of these countries, India, China, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Iran, Saudi Arabia, all of these northern African countries, and most of all of Europe and the Canada, America, Mexico, all of these are in June, we experience extreme summers. But if you look at the Earth's angle, the southern hemisphere at this point is tilted away from the sun. So it is getting light, obviously. It is getting light from the sun. It is experiencing day and night, but the rays of the sun are indirect. They're not as intense as in the northern hemisphere, because the direct rays are hitting the northern hemisphere. So all of the countries in the southern hemisphere, Polynesia and all of Australia, New Zealand, and all of these in the southern hemisphere, they are experiencing winters, extreme cold in June. So because the direct rays are hitting the northern hemisphere and not the southern hemisphere, and we experience the longest day on the June solstice.